So, ma'am, in your opinion, what does it mean to be a woman?
Please don't go
That
Western
tangent?
concept of what define a woman. We all know what a woman is all about. I think that we have actually moved generations on this kind of a conversation. If you ask my mother's generation, they had a different approach towards gender. They had a different response from society on the issues of gender. Then, let's say, coming to my generation, and then let's say transitioning to yours or my daughter's generation, it's a different ball game altogether. My mother's generation had people who denied, let's say, women an equal opportunity to compete, and especially in specific fields which had a lot of money, a lot of power, which was inclined towards sciences and enterprise. My generation was lucky enough to learn from the outcomes of her generation, know which battles to strategically pick, which to win and not announce our win, and then which battles to take to heart after failure but still go back up again. Your generation or my daughter's generation has a different challenge or a different pathway altogether. I think the greatest disservice we do to the issue of gender is we presume that what is true for you has to be true for me just because I'm a woman.
Yeah.
That in our country especially, the issues with regards to womanhood or gender changes from generation to generation, from geography to geography.
Okay.
We have to be very mindful of that. My issues will be different from that of a woman in a joint family.
Yeah.
My issues will be different from that of a woman who's divorced.
Yeah.
Or my issues will be different from that of a woman who's never got married or never had kids. So I think you can't generalize, oh, you're a woman, hence this has to be the cultural context with which one has to view you.
Yeah.